Welcome to Python for Beginners complete course. Python is one of the most popular and fast growing programming language in the current world. So the main reason for that is it finds use cases in different domains like AI, web development, automation and many more. From big tech companies to startups, many organizations use Python to build high level applications. Many popular applications like Spotify, Google, Reddit, Instagram, all these applications are built using Python programming. From this, we can see Python is how much powerful. Now let's see why you need to learn Python programming language in the current world. Now let me give you 3 important reasons why you need to learn Python programming language. The first reason is it's easy to learn. Whether you're from a tech background or from a non-tech background and completely new to programming language, Python is one of the best programming language to get started. Python is a very beginner-friendly language and the syntax is as simple as English. And in this course, we are starting from scratch, so no prior knowledge is required. The second reason is extensive libraries. Python has more than 1.3 lakh libraries for different purposes like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data visualization, web development, image recognition, and many more. The third reason is Python is an object-oriented and high-level programming language. So Python supports object-oriented programming, which allows us to create classes and objects to model the real-world entities. In this course, I'm going to teach you from scratch. We'll start with the basics, understand Python syntax, solve practical questions, and after each lesson, you will get practice problem to apply what you have learned. So, are you ready to master the most in-demand programming language? Let's get started with Python.